Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to program your Homelink buttons on your Range Rover. This is a 2024 model. However, it may be the same if you have an earlier model or a later one. First off, have your foot off the brake. Have your fob in the vehicle. Then we're going to hit the start button. Your dashboard should wake up like so without turning on the engine. Next up, we're going to hold number 1 and number 3 at the same time. This will clear out all the existing codes and prepare it for programming. So after you get a green flash, it means all the previous codes have been cleared and now it's ready for programming. Now we're going to program button number 1 with our button number 1 on our garage remote. We're going to hold the first button and hold the first button on our garage remote at the same time. When it's turned green, it means programming has been accepted and your key is now properly programmed onto that button. If you have a rolling code garage, you have to go to your garage door motor. Now that we're looking at the learn button, yours could be yellow, purple, red, black, gray, but ours is yellow in this case, so we're going to press it once. Now within 30 seconds, we're going to hit the button on our newly programmed Homelink. Within 30 seconds, you got to come and press the button that you just programmed to in order to complete the programming. Now I'm going to show you guys button number 2. So if we hold that, and we're going to hold the button number 2 on our remote. Once it's been successfully programmed, it's going to turn green, and same for the third button. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below or email us directly at weekendgarage@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful day.